At CES, there's a solution for everything, including snoring. Now, anyone will tell you that sleeping next to your partner who's snoring, or if she's snoring, can keep you awake at night and be quite annoying. But now with this product, the Hupnos, which is the Greek word for sleep, here's a device that can actually detect when you're snoring, create a little vibration inside the mask, which will then prompt you to roll over. So instead of the old elbow in the middle of the night, this could be the answer. So rather than you having to be nudged during the night to turn over, this mask can do it for you instead.